Edgarai, nuostabi pergalė prieš tokį varžovą. Tavo mintys apie rungtynes, kas lėmė tokią pergalę?
Prieš tai jau sakiau, kad šiai dienai galbūt mūsų komanda žemesnio yra lygio. CSKA, žinot, yra čempionai ir jie, galima sakyti, tvirtai stovi pirmoje vietoje. Tai mažesniem komandom reikia visada stengtis galbūt laikyti rungtynių rezultatą kuo lygesnį iki pat galo ir tada tos svarstyklės gali pasisukti bet kurie linkme. Tai šiandien mums tas pavyko ir galų gale galas buvo mūsų pusėje, kur ir sumetėm gerai metimus ir susigynėm. Galbūt kažkiek sėkmė lydėjo, bet visiškai tai niekam nėra įdomu ir galų gale mes žiūrim į rezultatą, kur iškovom tašką.
Na, kaip apie tą gynybą, šiandien CSKA tikrai nebuvo ta komanda, kuri primetė daugiausiai taškų. Pavyko išjungti ir Nando De Colo, ar ne? Ar tai yra gerų namų darbų pasiekmė?
Na, pirmoje pusėje iš tikrųjų nesisekė to gynyboje, jie mumis baudė labai stipriai, o antroje pusėje tikrai mes kažkiek tai sustovėjom geriau to gynyboje ir aišku, Nando De Colo numeris 1 akcentas, kur jisai daugiausiai žaidžia su kamuoliu. Jį tikrai reikėjo prižiūrėti stipriai, bet gale tikrai gerai gynėmės, laikėmės susitarimo, kažkokio galbūt mažiau buvo nesusišnekėjimų, kur mums anksčiau nuo to labai mes kentėdavom, tai džiugu yra laimėti ir smagu, kad jam neleidome daug sumesti taškų.
Tau koks jausmas kaip kauniečiui būti komandoje, kuri nugali Maskvos CSKA?
Oi, super, tai net nežinau iš tikrųjų kaip čia čempionus, visada smagu nugalėti, aišku, smagu prieš bet ką laimėti, bet atėjo tiek žmonių, jie visi patenkinti, su šypsenom šiandieną išeis kažkur vakare, kai kas rytoj darbus anksti, kai kas gal nežinau, bet smagu su jais šiandieną švęsti pergalę.
So Leo, your thoughts on the game, what was the main aspects that let you guys win against such a rival like CSKA Moscow?
You know, with all this atmosphere, first I just want to say thanks to the fans, the crowd. They made an amazing atmosphere tonight, and it really helped the players tonight when it was tough in the fourth quarter, when the coach was ejected from the game. So they cheer up for us, and I want to say thanks. And then, you know, we came here at the halftime. They had 45 points, and coach said we have to make them points down, you know, because it was too much. We cannot win against CSKA in this case. And in second half, we fought hard. We followed game plans. Everything was good. As I said, the team was very unified, and that's why I love tonight's great feelings, because the team, the players, and the crowd was like one, and it's great.
I think that ejection of the coach worked not for CSKA but for you guys, because you were motivated like a lot. Could you agree on that?
Yeah, I agree. But you know, there is two ways in this case. Either the team goes down. Even against CSKA, it's not easy. The best team in Europe now. We could go down, but we just stick as a team, and that's really important for the rest of the season, because we saw that when we have character, we play as a team. It's difficult to beat us. Yeah.
To win against such a team like this, you have to defend the leaders. The leader, Nando De Colo, today didn't score. It's like normal points today. What can you say about defense against this guy?
So far, we already played good against the main players. You know, when you see the stat sheet, usually the main players are not making the best games against us. Of course, there is exception, but we had a game plan. We played defense as a team. You know, it was not easy. He's one of the best players in Europe now. But you know, CSKA, there is not only one player. It was great, and we could play good defense tonight on them.
Did Nando congratulate you after the game?
No, he's, as I say, on the game and after the game, he's a great competitor, and he was pissed to lose, of course, as I would be if I would lose, and we will see each other this summer also.
Merci beaucoup.